How to create a domain alias in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to set up a domain alias for a website. Domain aliases are the alternative website's names for your primary domain name. When typing the domain alias name in a browser, the visitors will be redirected to your primary domain and get the same content there. It means that you can save efforts on files uploading and configuration settings, but should register the domain alias name. Click Domain Aliases. Click Add Domain Alias. Enter the domain alias name here. Leave the default checked boxes as they are. If you want to use the same DNS zone records for a domain alias as for your primary domain, leave Synchronize DNS Zone with the primary domain box checked. If Mail option is checked, all the mail sent to the domain alias addresses will be redirected to your primary domain mailboxes. Make sure Web checkbox is selected, otherwise the web server will not serve the web content. Select Java Web Applications checkbox if you have any Java applications installed on your site. When ready, click OK to save the changes. That's it! The domain alias demo1234.net has been successfully created. Now let's see how to edit its settings if necessary. Click Preferences. Here we may edit the current domain alias settings. Let's do it later if necessary. Click Cancel. Click DNS. Scroll down. Here we can add, change, and delete various DNS records. Currently, all records are related to the primary domain's DNS zone. Now let's learn how to disable a domain alias. Click Switch Off. That's it! The domain alias is not active anymore. Now let's see how to remove a domain alias if necessary. Select the domain alias here. Then click Remove. Select the checkbox to confirm the removal. Then click OK. We're done! The selected domain alias has been successfully removed now. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up domain aliases in Plesk. Remember that a domain alias should always be a registered domain name. Otherwise, its content won't be displayed in the web.